Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, I will tell you how you can fix this server error 406 in Elementor Pro. So when you are trying to publish your post in Elementor, then you see this error. We will see how we can fix this error in this video. So to fix this error, you will need to access your web hosting. You can access your cPanel or DirectAdmin, whatever you have. So here I am in my web hosting control panel, which is cPanel of my web hosting. In your case, it can be different. So you need to search for ModSecurity over here in your cPanel. So in DirectAdmin, you don't see that directly, but in cPanel you can see, or you can find any related option. For DirectAdmin, you can go to this menu and here you can scroll down. Here you will see web application firewall. You can search for the similar options in your web hosting and go to that. I can click on it and here you see that the status is active. I will need to click on modify and I will have to disable this. So when you will disable this firewall system, your error should be solved. So here you can see ModSecurity configuration has been updated. Now go back to the website, click on refresh. Now make the changes that you want, and after making the changes, click on publish. And here you can see that the changes are saved though without any error. So that's how you can fix this error in Elementor. If you have any question or need any help, do let me know in the comment section. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.